this is Sai, and so now me and my brother we both are going to search our cat. I don't know how she just disappeared all of a sudden, so we are just going to search in the town and in the area right here. The weather is very gloomy these days, very gloomy. In between, the sun just peeks out and gives a hint of just a small hint of happiness. Okay. So me and my brother just returned home and yeah, we didn't find the cat. But anyways, today I wanted to talk about that I had a terrible burnout the last week. I can't even explain, like I got totally numb. I wasn't feeling anything. And due to constantly trying to be better, I forgot to take breaks, genuine breaks. Whenever I used to take breaks, I used to just think about things like how can I get better? What if this happens? What if that happens? What if it doesn't work out? I know that it's not a phase of me to think in that way that what if it doesn't work out because it's just a start of me. It's just a beginning and I know that I have a long way to go. But somewhere I just feel that what if I'm left behind? What if I'm not doing things what I'm supposed to do? After going through the phase of 11, 12, I realized a lot of things that hurrying is not the only solution. We have to be patient and we have to be consistent every single day. And being consistent means showing up every single day, no matter how much energy you have. You can't give your 100% every day, and you should not. I mean, really, if you have the energy, just do it. If you don't have, just then give whatever you have. I tried a perfect routine and a perfect 60-day challenge, 75, 30-day challenge, but it never worked out perfectly. And till now, after experiencing a lot of things, one thing I got to know is that perfectionism is a myth. There is no such thing as perfect. There is not a person, there is not a thing, there is not a career, there is not a food which is perfect. Yeah, some things might be perfect, but it's just that every single thing has something special quality. Every single aspect had some special quality in it. But thankfully, recently, for the next 10 days, the swimming pool has been closed because of shortage of water. I was exhausted, in fact. I was very tired of the hectic routine. I know it's hectic, but it's also not like it's useless. It's very useful. I really like that. I love the busy life. But if a life is busy without productiveness, then it's of no use. So it's a type of break for me, and I feel very relaxed right now, and I can do things well focused and not getting distracted and not also not comparing myself to others. I also compared myself a lot to others because I always felt behind, but that one of the biggest reasons why I had a burnout. And also because I had the same monotonous routine, same food, same things every single day, I was actually bored. But also, the most important thing to know is that when things get boring, that is when actual growth happens, and that is when you are tested. Like, can you handle the boredom and keep going with the same thing? To master something is doing that thing even when you're bored, even when you don't feel like it, because anyone can do that thing when they're not bored and when they're excited or when it's a new thing. And also, one thing I prefer is that going with the flow, but in a different way. The quote go with the flow is very misunderstood quote in my opinion, because people think that going with the flow it means you just have to move according to your moods or emotions. No. It just means, in my perspective, is that even if you feel like you don't want to, even if you feel you're excited, even if you're angry, you have fear, you're facing excitement, you are sad, you're depressed, or anything, just feel that thing and go with your routine. Because eventually, thing, the quote which was being adopted or being misunderstood, it just means that going with the flow leads straight to the dream. And it's actually true. Now, at the end of this, I personally would prefer that work life integration is much better than work life balance, because work life balance, such thing, does not exist and also should not exist. Because of work life integration is that we combine life and work together. It means we not only focus only on work, but we also focus on life. And in work life balance is that when, for example, 6 days or 5 days for work and 2 days for life. But consistency is very important in my opinion. And you should also give some of your energy into your life, because life is the only riches.